Hi, my name is Sam Ellis, a businessman in Louisville, Kentucky for over 40 years. But I've really enjoyed my entrepreneur spirit and experience. For the past 8 years, the Ellis family businesses is having a lot of success. And I'm very proud of my family. I'm very proud of my children and what they've done in the world of entrepreneurship. Moreover, part of our mission always has and will always be to share our knowledge of success with you, our listeners. For that reason, we have created Share to Scale, a digital training platform designed for sharing our knowledge of business. Have you ever wondered how to market and brand your business as the go-to company in your industry? How to get banks and community organizations to rally behind you and your business? How to get published regularly in business and local newspaper journals, blogs, TV, and social media interviews absolutely free. Free advertisement. How amazing is that? We understand the struggle in marketing and branding, as well as the high cost of advertising. You can't afford not to do it. We found a solution. It's business storytelling. Business storytelling is more than just entertaining. It influences others. Our goal is to help you tell your story, your business story, in a way that people will see your passion to help them solve their problems through your products and services. It doesn't matter what business you're in. You don't need a lot of experience to make this happen. Just follow the framework for business storytelling success. Hit the button and let us help you create your business story. So you're about to get on the other side of business, the right side of business. Click the link right now. See you on the right side of business.